Maybe you're doing rapid triage on a multiple patient scenario or a multiple patient casualty situation. One of the things that you recognize, this patient has a penetrating wound to the left side of the chest, most likely has a pneumothorax or a developing tension pneumothorax on that side. You can look for a deviation of trachea, but that's often a late finding. You notice his chest rise on the left is not as good, his breath sounds are diminished. In an emergent situation, there's no need for either an ultrasound or an x-ray to identify the pneumothorax. The most important thing at that point with this guy in the extremis, if his extremis situation would diminish that, is to decompress the pneumothorax as rapidly as possible. The way to do that is identify the second intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. Confine the clavicle, mid-clavicular line, go to the second intercostal space. You're going to go just over the third rib, and you're going to go through identifying, making sure you're just over the top of the rib. Until you get a little pop through the skin. I walk myself over the top of that third rib, and you'll feel it give. And as you pop through, obviously you've got that needle. You don't want to create more damage, so you're just going to insert the catheter over the needle into the lung space, decompressing the chest. And that will buy you time until you can then place a chest tube under more controlled circumstances. Obviously making sure that in the simulated patient, we did not demonstrate the patient needs to be bathed out and cleansed, but you're always going to do that in a rapid fashion as well. Done.